I would tell them to give it a chance because it's just so different. This isn't something that you can get at like you said, other libraries or at school, and it's you get a lot of individuality. It's like your ideas. You get to meet these new people, and they have ideas. You get to learn from them, which I think is really valuable. And it's over like a 3 day period, and in those 3 days, it's like amazing how much you can get from it, how fun it is, how many memories you get from it. It's been 2 years, I still remember everything.
It really is a great experience, and you do learn a lot about just entrepreneurship and building a business in general. But you also learn more about working with others and how you might not be able to contribute everything that you want to, or you might not have the skills to do this, but that's why you're in a group and others can help you with that.
This class is good for meeting new people, learning new skills, and will end up helping improve your lifestyle for after high school.
We're very lucky to have this in Plano, and I would recommend that you give it a shot and see what you get out of it. I'm very glad I got the opportunity to be part of this program, meet new people, learn new skills, and I hope that anybody that comes will have a great experience just as I did.
Y'all should really come to the youth entrepreneurship class. It has been great, loads of fun.
You get to work with real-world business entrepreneurs, and they really do show you that it is worthwhile if you really want to do it, and that you will get a lot of new information that you may never have thought that you would have wanted to learn. I made a lot of new friends, I learned a lot of new things, but above all, I did have a lot of fun at this program.